compete against yourself, first of all, and the rest will fall in line. Your focus is to be the best of the best at what you're doing, not the best of the best compared to what someone else is doing. Visionaries, I just wanted to come to you with a new series. The feedback that I've been getting from you guys has been phenomenal, and just want to continue to provide value to you. So I'm starting a daily series where you can tune in. There'll be one question or one theme of the day that I'm hearing from you guys as to how to grow on Merch by Amazon. What's your motivation to continue Merch by Amazon? Just some daily things that we battle with in our head to keep us motivated and going forward. So I definitely want to bring you some daily inspiration, daily insight, daily feedback from your fellow merchers to help you along the way. And so the question of the day is, can I start on Merch by Amazon in 2019 and be successful? Yeah, you definitely can. First, you need to define what is your definition of success. Write it down somewhere. Do a daily affirmation, whatever you have to do to have that ingrained in your mind. If it's selling 1,000 shirts in your first year, if it's selling 10 shirts a day, getting to that point where you can do that, whatever it is, if it's an amount of money that you're looking for from that, write that down and begin to actualize that. That's your end goal. And yes, you can reach your goals. So you've probably heard, Merch by Amazon has been around for a couple years now. I got in on, or a few years, I got in on it at the beginning of last year. And I've done fairly well for what I was looking for in the first year, was just to sell and get momentum and tear up and make some profit. You know, again, and I mentioned this in some of my other videos, that there's a school of thought to getting started on Merch by Amazon that you won't make money off the bat. You want to really just get your products out there, start doing research, know what's working for your portfolio, and then building the portfolio out from there. And in your first 6 months to a year, don't really look for too much in profit. However, if you look back at my earnings and some of my prior videos, I tell you that I have had a somewhat different mindset on that. So if you're just getting started out on merch, or you're entertaining or joining merch, or you filled out the application and you're getting ready to be approved and you just want to kind of know, what do I do first? What do I focus on first? Some of these videos will definitely help you, so continue to tune in day by day. But yes, you can be successful. You just have to define and be realistic about what your idea of success is in your first year, in your first month, week, month, 3 months, a year. What does that mean for you? And as you're reaching those plateaus, you'll feel fulfilled, you'll be motivated, and you'll continue to be successful. That's one thing about Merch by Amazon, kind of that benchmark that they set early. They start you out at tier 10 for a reason. Like, do you have the focus and the wherewithal to expand out of this constraint that we've given you? If so, the sky's the limit. You continue to grow, build, know what formula works for your particular customers that you're targeting, or if you have a generalized audience, what specific things are selling that are more general in nature, or more a breadth of different ideas, thoughts, designs. Again, too, you need to know kind of what your motivation to continue to do this. Are you a designer who wants to put their unique, brilliant artwork out there for people to buy? Or are you looking to have some design skill and want this as an additional means of income, and you're not necessarily looking at it artistically as a traditional designer would? Looking at it as more focused on e-commerce, expanding your business, selling products with your unique designs on them, but just looking at kind of what your motivation is. So key to this. Define what your success is and make it granular. Give yourself some milestones. What does that mean for your first week, first month, first 3 months, first 6 months, first year? Goal it out. Goal it out so that as you take steps towards those things, you can be successful. So again, take a look at what my success was in my first year and my more recent video when I tiered up to tier 2000, look at my earnings overall, and I go into a deep dive in one of my other videos about what does that mean, what's the configuration of that. So those videos are more tactical, showing you my journey, but as you embark on your own journey, do define what success means to you, for you. Develop out those milestones, and as you reach them, reward yourself. Don't just say, okay, well, I got to this particular benchmark, but that's nothing. Some people, that's the mistake right there. Some people, don't compare yourself. Compete against yourself, first of all, and the rest will fall in line. Your focus is to be the best of the best at what you're doing, not the best of the best compared to what someone else is doing. So that's the advice that I have to share with you guys. You guys let me know where you are on your journey, what tier you are, what content on my page. Let me know what tier you are. Let me know what content on my page resonates with you, what you enjoy, what you want to hear more of. What is more helpful to you? Do you need one-on-one consultation? I do that too via Fiverr. Happy to help you guys however I can, because I know in my first year starting out things weren't crystal clear. I know I wanted to do this thing but just needed a little bit more help or to think through things in more detail, and that helped me along the way. So hopefully this was helpful. If this is the first time that you're visiting my planet, please do subscribe, because we want more people on the platform and helping each other out how we can, and sharing this content and liking this content if you like this video. I'm going to continue for the next couple of weeks with this particular series, so you guys definitely give me a thumbs up and let me know if this is the kind of content that you want. So do tune in tomorrow. I will be back with another daily merch thought. Until next time, be well and peace, family.